Hi, and welcome to the AlphaGraphics installation process of the retractable banner stand. Upon receipt of your package, you'll be receiving several parts of the retractable banner stand materials. These parts will be easily removed, and I will explain throughout the process how you can assemble, and we will also make another video on how to disassemble your new retractable banner stands. After you slid the top of the banner through the bracket that exists within the package, you want to press down as firmly as possible and you will hear a click. Towards the end of the brackets for the top of the banner, you will have two plastic end caps. The end caps will snap in, and that will hold the banner from sliding back and forth. At the bottom of your banner, you're going to see a plastic strip already attached to the bottom of the banner. This bottom strip is what will be inserted into the banner stand. As shown here. You have to slightly turn it to where you can feel it go through the gap. And once it fits through the gap, it will easily slide. That's when you know that it has been inserted correctly out of the banner stand. As you can see, and at the top of your banner, you will see a small hook. That hook goes into the section that is called insert at the top of your banner. Once that's inserted, you can adjust to the height that you wish desire. It is recommended that you push as high as you can without the pole being compromised. Holding with your left hand, you hold tight, and then with your right hand on the bottom, you'll see the tightening where you turn to the right. That will create the tension where the banner stand will now be fully erect. Hi, welcome to the AlphaGraphics uninstallation process of the retractable banner stand. You'll be receiving a banner stand that looks like this once you receive it and take it out of the packaging. We're going to explain to you today how to retract your banner so that you will be able to remove it from the stand, and some of the components that you have to work with in order to get the stand out, or get the banner out of the stand.
Okay, right now we're going to explain to you how to take your retractable banner out of the stand. First of all, we're going to work from the back of the retractable banner stand. The reason why is because you have more you have a better way to handle the banner from the back than from the front. On the right, on the left hand side, we have what is called the stopper. This is a little like a keychain type of way that it has a piece of tape that needs to be removed. As soon as you remove that, you have a little chain that has a little groove. In this little groove, once you pull out the whole stand, you're gonna hear a clicking noise, and that clicking noise, the little pin is gonna go inside the stopper, which it has inside the stand. So for that, you're gonna be needing your pole. Okay, we're gonna extend it as far as we can. We're gonna twist it back, bring this down to the floor. Pull down the stand. you're gonna extend it as far as you can, all the way up. Okay? It needs to be firm. At that point, you loosen up the pin. Okay? And then little by little, we're just gonna let go. And then you're gonna see the click. Okay? I'm gonna demonstrate again. We're gonna put this up. We're gonna try to bring it down. You're gonna see the click. Okay, once it clicks, the keychain is gonna go, the pin is gonna go inside the little hole that is inside the banner stand. At that point, we can pull out the image. That's how you take out the banner from the banner.